whisper her name in the rustle of the cattle. My heart's forever claimed. With every sunset on the horizon, our dreams begin to rise. In this love beneath the wide open sky, I'll always be by her side. We watch the moon climb high in the ink blue velvet sky, her head resting on my shoulder. Time just seems to fly. She tells me tales of rodeos, of triumph and the fall. In love with every part of her, mighty and so small. We wrote the moments together, wrangled memories so dear. Through stormy weather and clear skies, our paths stayed so near. Her kisses like love in the saddle, where the winds whisper her name in the rustle of the cattle. My heart's forever claimed. With every sunset on the horizon, our dreams begin to rise. In this love beneath the wide open sky, I'll always be by her side. We watch the moon climb high in the ink blue velvet sky, her head resting on my shoulder. Time just seems to fly. She tells me tales of rodeos, of triumph and the fall. In love with every part of her, mighty and so small. We wrote the moments together, wrangled memories so dear. Through stormy weather and clear skies, our paths stayed so near. Her kisses like